Welcome students. Our today's topic is carbon resistance. Carbon resistance. Carbon resistance. So see there. Today I showing you. See, this is the carbon resistance. Have a different color of line, but last line will be golden, all silver or no color. Okay. So this is called also color code resistance, which is normally used in electronic circuit. It is the resistance which is used in electronic circuit, which can change their value till higher range. Which can change their value till higher range. You better know resistance all time remains constant, while in carbon resistance it can vary from higher level to lower level. So these are the resistance made by carbon used in electronic circuit, can change their value till higher range, is called carbon resistance. Now see there, this is in cylindrical form, have a different color of line. Let's suppose I zoom here, 4 colors are there, and these colors are A, B, C, D. Last color will be gold or silver. Keep in mind, last color will be gold or silver. Okay. So its resistance will be R is equal to the formula of that carbon resistance. R is equal to AB. Don't multiply it. Normally you have to write AB. Let's suppose A is 2 and B is 3. So you have to write 23, not to multiply by 3. So it is not multiplication. Simply you have to write AB into 10 power C plus minus D%. Write down the formula. Let's suppose any carbon resistance have a 4 color. These colors are A, B, C, D. But D will be golden or silver. This is compulsory, and if their gap is there, no doubt it will be no color. So A, B, C, D, A, B, C have a contain any color. So D, A and B are called code. Note down the point. A, B are called code. 10 power C is called multiplier, and D is called tolerance. AB is called color code. 10 power C, that is called multiplier. See there, it is multiplication. Plus minus D%, it means this is the tolerance. D%, it will be golden or silver or no color. If golden is there, you have to write for golden, it will be 5%. For silver, it will be, you write down. For golden, tolerance will be 5%. For silver, it will be 10%. And if no color is there, it will be 20%. So tolerance have only 3 color: golden, silver and no color. Golden have a 5% tolerance. This is D% means gold. If gold outer color is gold, last color is gold, you have to write 5%. If last line is silver, you have to write 10%. If this space is laying vacant, you have to write 20%. And let's suppose you are getting formula R is equal to 100 plus minus 10%. It means that this resistance can contain the value 100 plus 10 to 100 minus 10. It means its value will be 110 to 90. Are you getting the point? That's why you defined the resistance made by carbon used in electronic circuit can change their value from higher range to lower range. You can see that if your answer is 100 plus minus 10, it means its answer could be 110 to 90. According to need of circuit, it will vary from higher level to lower or lower to higher. Okay, so this is all about introduction of carbon resistance, and formula is very clear. R is equal to AB multiply by 10 power C plus minus D%. Now we have to decide the code and multiplier, because different color have a different codes. So I have a one formula to memorize this very easily, and the formula is B.B. Roy, Great Britain had very good wife. This is the formula. By that formula you can memorize all code color very easily. Once again, B.B. Roy, Great Britain, had is not included. Very good wife. Okay, this is the formula by which we can learn the code and multiplier. Okay, so first you decide the color. Color are very easy. B for black, this B for brown, R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, great for green, G for green, B for Britain, and it is blue, V for violet, and here good G for grey, and W for white, Y for white. Are you getting the point? These are the colors decided: black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey and white. Okay, now first we will find the code. Black, you have put the from 0 to that point. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the codes. So we can decide the codes very easily. You can decide directly here. B, black, brown, red, orange, yellow. If let us suppose first color is green, so you have to write green. Code is 5. So directly you have to write the 5. Okay, they are the code. Next, multiplier. On same way, 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4, 10 power 5, 10 power 6, 7, 10 power 8 and 10 power 9. They are called multiplier. Because we need multiplier here. So multiplier, let's suppose gray color is there. You have to write into 10 power 8. Because gray color multiplier is 10 power 8. And if code is gray, if A and B are gray color, you have to write 8. So this is all about this. Next, tolerance. And tolerance already I told me, gold 5%, silver 10%, and next no color 20%. And if you assume their multiplier also 10 power minus 1 and its multiplier is 10 power minus 2. There is a multiplier of gold and silver as well, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, but tolerance is in percentage. Okay, so this is the management, or this is the arrangement of different color, code, multiplier and tolerance. Okay, let's suppose now one question is given to you. Let's suppose this is the carbon resistance and its color is given as like this, 4 color lines. Let's suppose first color is yellow, second is green, third color is brown, and fourth color is gold. That's what that question is given to you. And I ask, find the value of this carbon resistance. So easy, formula is there. So what a formula? R is equal to AB. You can see there AB. A is yellow and B is what? Green. So what is the code? You have to write the code. So what a yellow code? Yellow code is, you can see there, yellow code is 4. It will be 4. G for green. Green is 5, so it will be 45. Don't multiply by 5 into 4. It will be 45 now into 10 power C. 10 power C, it means brown color. What is the brown color? Brown is 1, and you have don't write its code. Its multiplier will be there, and its multiplier is 10 power what? 1. Are you getting? Y, yellow, green, you have to write the code, and before golden or before silver, you have to write down the what? Multiplier. And multiplier, if this is given brown, and brown multiplier is, you can see there, brown multiplier is what? 10 power 1, 10 power 1. Next, plus minus D%. What are tolerance? Gold, and gold tolerance is what? 5%. You have to write 5%. So your answer will be R is equal to 45 into 10 power 1, this means 10. It will be 450 plus minus 5% ohm. This is the answer for this. Are you getting? So this is all about your carbon resistance. This is all about your carbon resistance. Okay. Our next topic is combination of resistance. So you better know, already I taught in class 10. There are 3 types of combination. Number 1, series combination. If these resistances are combined in series, R1, R2 and R3, very easy. V potential applied it, potential divided into ratio V1, potential is V2, potential is V3, but current remains constant. You better know, in series current will not change while potential will divide in the ratio. What are total potential? V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus what? V3. So V is equal to Ri, Ri is equal to V1 R1I plus R2I plus R3I. I will be common and cancel out. What a formula for series? Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the formula of series combination. Very easy way. As like capacitance or inverse of capacitance. In capacitance, the formula was 1 upon C1 for series. Here resistance you better know Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. But keeping in mind in series, current remains constant. In parallel combination, let's suppose these resistances connect as like this. Resistance are R1, R2 and what? R3, and you connect by potential V. You better know potential remain constant in parallel, but current divides. Its current will be I1, I2 and what? I3. Current divides but voltage remain constant. So what a total current? I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. What about of I is equal to V upon R is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. V common and cancel out. What answer? 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. P for parallel. This is the formula for parallel combination. Are you getting the point? This is already taught in class 10. Very easy way. So this is combination of resistance in series. This is the formula for combination of resistance in parallel. In series, you can decide in series or parallel by current. If current is constant, they are in series. If current divides, they are in parallel. Okay. Let's suppose third is mixed. Let's suppose the question is given as like this. Very easy way. You can solve it. Let's suppose this is 4, 4, 2, 4, 4 and it is given 6. And I ask find the resistance between AB. In same way you can solve it very easily. 4 are in parallel. 1 by 4, its answer will be 2. 4 are in parallel, its answer will be 2. 2 in series. So 2 plus 2, it is 6. 6 and here again one more resistance connected of 6 ohm. And no doubt 6 and 6 are in parallel. So 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. It will be 1 upon 3. So answer R is equal to 3 ohm. Directly you can get the answer. This is called mixed combination. Are you getting point? So this is all about your combination of resistance and carbon resistance. Okay, that's all for today.